Once, a group of friends decided to go camping in the woods. They packed their bags, grilled up some burgers, and set off with high spirits. They set up their tent, lit a campfire, and began to share ghost stories. Suddenly, one friend decided to impress everyone by showing off his skills with a bow and arrow. He pulled back, aimed, and let it fly, right into the tent. The tent collapsed, and everyone screamed, thinking a bear had attacked. As they rushed out, they saw the bear was just their friend with his pants down, fumbling to escape. They all burst into laughter, and from then on, every camping trip was known as the Bare Necessities outing, because they learned the only thing scarier than a bear is a friend with bad aim.